Want to make your Word document look professional, stylish and eye-catching? In this video, I will show you how to add beautiful page border in Microsoft Word step by step. Whether you are creating a project file, certificate, assignment, invitation or office document, this trick will instantly improve the look of your document. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Hello Helper. Today I will show you how to add border in your Microsoft Word easily. This method works in most versions of Microsoft Word including Word 2016, 19 and 2021 or 24 and Microsoft 365. So first thing first, this is my Word document and here we are going to add border. Okay, so this is the border, actually page border we want to add. So simply click on this design tab which is available on the top and then click on this page border which is available, the page background options, and here you will get this page border. Okay, you simply click on it and friend, here you will see page border option and here you select box and friend, here you will see the style, the border style. This is the line, this is dotted, and different styles are available. You can scroll it and you will see different border style you can see. Okay, so for example I'm going to select this one. Okay, and second option you will get the color. If you want to change color over here, you simply select any color which you want. For example, I'm going to select little bit dark color so that will be look good. Okay, so here we are going to select this one, right? So this is color. And if you want to change width of that page border, then what you will do, simply click on it and here you will see different sizes are available. So in this design, this size is only, this size is available. Also you can add style, art style. If you want to add border art style, then you can simply select this one. So all your style will go on, this art will be implemented on that. Okay, if you want to remove, then simply click on this none and here again you will select that border style. For example this one, change color, again we are going to change color and here this will give you the option. If you want to add all the pages, then you can select, or you want to add on particular section or a page, then you can select this option. I want whole document, so I'm going to select this one and then click on this OK button. So friend, you can see that this page border is added into this document. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can simply add page border in your Word document. If friend this video helped you, then please click on like button and comment me below what things you like. And if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.